नमस्कार, मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics first means algebra, the second chapter is quadratic equation and problem set 2. Now here sixth example determine the nature of roots for each of the quadratic equation. Now 1, 2, 3 examples are given. Now answer of the first, 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now here means in this quadratic equation, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 7. Now we have b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b means minus 5 square, then minus 4 into a means 3 into c means 7, which is equal to 5 square minus 5 square means 25, then minus 4 3 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84, which is equal to, मग याला जर आपण सॉल्व केलं तर याचं आन्सर जे आहे या ठिकाणी जे ग्रेटर नंबर मायनस आहे आणि म्हणून निगेटिव्ह आहे म्हणून मायनस, त्यानंतर 14 minus 9 minus 5 means 9, then 3 means 5, which is equal to minus 59, which is less than 0 and hence means negative, and hence the quadratic means or the roots, hence roots are not real numbers. निगेटिव्ह असल्यामुळे रूट्स जे आहे ते रिअल नंबर्स राहणार नाही. देन सेकंड इक्वेशन, रूट 3x स्क्वेअर प्लस रूट 2x देन मायनस 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to root 3, then b is equal to root 2 and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to b means root 2 square, then minus 4 into a means root 3 into c means here minus 2 under root 3. On solving we get which is equal to root 2 square means 2, then minus into minus means plus, then 4 into 2, 4 2 ja 8 into root 3 into root 3 means root 3 square means 3, which is equal to 2 plus 8 3 ja 24, which is equal to 26, which is greater than 0 means positive, and hence the roots are real numbers, आणि म्हणून याचे रूट जे आहे ते रियल नंबर्स राहणार. देन थर्ड इक्वेशन इज m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here value of a is 1, then b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 1. Now we have b square minus 4ac is equal to b square means minus 2 square, then minus 4 into a means 1 into c is also 1, which equal to minus 2 square means 4, then minus 4 1 are 4, which is equal to 0. या ठिकाणी p स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ही 0 आली आणि म्हणून hence roots are real and equal. Now here 26 was greater than 0 means roots are real and it was unequal. This is third example. Then seventh example. Solve the following quadratic equation. Number 1, first equation is 1 upon x plus phi plus 1 upon x square. Now on solving, we get, taking cross product, then we get x square into 1 means x square, which is equal to 1 into this means x plus phi, means here cross product and hence x square, then takes x here, then we get minus x, taking phi on the left hand side means minus phi is equal to 0, like this. त्यानंतर याला आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. आपण एक अंदाज करायचा आहे. आपल्याकडे मेथड्स आहे. मायनस फाय जे आहे त्याचे आपण असे फॅक्टर्स पाडू शकत नाही की ज्याची सबस्ट्रॅक्शन ही -1 येईल. इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. So we have to use the another method, perfecting square method or formula method. So I am solving this quadratic equation by formula method. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1 and c is equal to -5, and hence b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square means -1 square, then -4 into a means 1 into c means -5, which is equal to -1 square means 1, minus into minus means plus, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 21. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now we know the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now putting values, we get which is equal to minus b means minus b means -1 means -1, then plus minus under root this means under root b square minus 4ac value is 21 divided by 2a, 2 into a means 1, which is equal to minus into minus means plus 1 plus minus under root 21 divided by 2 1s are here 2. Then on solving we get, this is the value of x. Taking plus we will get one answer, and taking minus we will get another answer, and hence here x is equal to 1 plus under root 21 divided by 2, or here x is equal to 1 minus under root 21 upon 2, and hence the roots of quadratic equation are 1 plus 20 under root 21 divided by 2 and 1 minus under root 21 divided by 2. This is the answer. Then second example. Now for the second example, now solve this example. Now x square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 0. So multiplying by 10. Then we get 10 into x square means 10x square, then minus multiply by 10, 10 will get cancelled, then we get only minus 3x. Then here 10 gets cancelled means minus 1 is equal to 10 into 0 means 0. Now we have to solve this. Now here we have to try by factorization method. 10 into minus 1 means minus 10. Now factorize this. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, and difference is 3. Now here take this sign, give this sign to greater number means here minus 5 and plus 2, and hence 10x square then minus 3x याचे आपण 2 पार्ट्स केले आहे मीन्स मायनस 5x देन प्लस 2x मायनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. ही पेअर घ्या. फर्स्ट पेअरमधून आपण 5 कॉमन काढू शकतो अँड x 5x कॉमन काढला तर या ठिकाणी राहणार 2x. देन मायनस 5x कॉमन काढला मीन्स ओनली 1 राहील. त्यानंतर हाच ब्रॅकेट आपल्याला पुन्हा यायला पाहिजे आणि म्हणून मी इथे तोच ब्रॅकेट लिहून घेतो 2x मायनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. या ठिकाणी 2x मायनस 1 जसंच्या तसं आहे मीन्स प्लस 1 या ठिकाणी कॉमन काढलं. इथे 2x मायनस 1 इथे 2x मायनस 1 आहे अँड हेन्स 2x मायनस 1 कॉमन काढू शकतो आणि जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स आहे 5x रिमेनिंग फॅक्टर मीन्स 5x then plus 1 from here is equal to 0. Now and hence 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or here 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now on solving we get here 2x is equal to 1 and hence x is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Or here now 5x is equal to plus 1 आपण राईट हँड साईडला घेऊन गेलो तर मायनस 1 होते and hence here x is equal to minus 1 upon here 5. This is the second answer. And hence now we can write the roots of quadratic equation are 1 by 2 and minus 1 upon 5. This is the answer. Then third example is 2x plus 3 bracket square is equal to 25. I am taking direct square root, taking square root of both sides. Then we get 2x plus 3 is equal to, taking square root of this means plus minus square root of 25 means 5, and hence now here 2x is equal to, हे जे 3 आहे ते 3 आपण इकडे घेऊन गेलो means -3, then plus minus 5, and hence x is equal to -3 plus minus 5 divided by 2. Now taking and then minus, then we get here x is equal to -3 plus 5 divided by 2. This is the one answer. Are taking negative means minus, means x is equal to -3, then minus 5 divided by 2. Hence x is equal to -3 plus 5 means 2 divided by 2, or here x is equal to -3 minus 5 means -8 divided by 2. Now here 2 get cancelled means 1, and hence x is equal to 1. This is the answer. Or here x is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, means x is equal to -4. This is the second, and hence the roots of quadratic equation, given quadratic equation 1 and -4. This is the answer. Then fourth example is m square plus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here 5 cannot now here there are no factors which addition is 5, and hence I am solving this quadratic equation by formula method. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to also 5. Now here b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square means 5 square, then minus 4 into a means 1 into c means 5, which is equal to 5 square means 25, then minus 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 25 minus 20 means 5. Now the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Now putting the values in this equation, in this formula, then we get which is equal to minus b means 5, then plus minus under root this value means 5, then divided by 2, which is equal to hence we can write x is equal to minus 5, then plus under root 5 divided by 2, or here x is equal to minus 5 then minus under root 5 divided by 2, and hence now we can write the roots roots of quadratic equation are minus phi plus under root phi upon 2 and minus phi minus under root phi divided by 2. These are the answer. Then fifth example. Now here phi m square plus 2m plus 1. Now here also, here a is equal to phi, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Then b square minus 4 ac is equal to, b square means 2 square, then minus 4 into a means phi into c means 1, which is equal to 2 square means 4, then minus here 4 5s are 20, 21s are 20, which is equal to 4 minus 20 means minus 16. Now here minus 16, which is less than 0 means negative, and hence we can write the roots are not, and hence the roots of quadratic equation, we cannot take the square root of minus 16, hence the roots of quadratic equations are not real numbers, या ठिकाणी रूट्स रियल नंबर्स नहीं है. देन नेक्स्ट सिक्स्थ एग्जाम्पल, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x minus 3. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 3. Then on solving we get, now we have the formula x is equal to minus b, I am finding the value of b square minus 4 ac, which is equal to b square means minus 4 square, then minus 4 into a means 1 into c means minus 3. On solving, which is equal to minus 4 square means 16, minus into minus means plus, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, which is equal to 28. Now x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting values, which is equal to minus b means minus 4, then plus minus under root 28 divided by 2a, 2 into a means 1, which is equal to minus into minus means plus 4, then plus minus 28 means here on solving we get 2 under root 7 divided by 2 1s are 2. Now on solving we get, or taking 2 as the common, which is equal to, taking 2 as common, 2 into 2 plus minus 2 is taken here, then plus minus under root 7 then divided by 2. Now here 2 get cancelled. This is value of x, and hence x is equal to, now here 2 plus under root 7, or x is equal to 2 minus under root 7, and hence the roots of quadratic equation are 2 plus root 7 and 2 minus root 7. These are the answer. Then next example means 8th example. Now find m if m minus 12 into x square plus 2 into m minus 12 into x plus 2 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. रिअल आणि इक्वल रूट्स असेल तर मग या ठिकाणी आपल्याला इक्वल रूट्स आहे आणि रिअल आहे, म्हणून याला आपल्याला सॉल्व करावं लागेल. सॉल्व करताना ए बी सीच्या व्हॅल्यूज या ठिकाणी आपण घेऊन घ्यायचे आहे. नाव हियर a is equal to coefficient of x square means m minus 12, then value of b is equal to the coefficient of x means 2 into m minus 12, and c is equal to now 2, and hence now we have b square minus 4ac is equal to b square. b means 2 into m minus 12 whole square, then minus 4 into a means m minus 12 into c means here 2. On solving we get now 2 square means here 4, then square of this means into m square, then minus 12 into 2 means 24 into m, then plus 144, then minus 4 into 2 means minus 8 into m, or minus 8 into m minus 12, which is equal to, now here 4 m square, then minus 96 m plus 288 minus, now here 8m, then minus plus 12 8 are 96, which is equal to 4m square, then here minus 96m, then minus 8 means minus 104m, then plus 288 plus 96, then we get plus 90 plus here 672. Now here on solving this, now dividing by now the roots are real and equal is given. Roots are equal, real and equal is given, means hence b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and hence 4m square minus 104m plus 672 is equal to 0. Now dividing by 4, then we get 4 divided by 4 means 1 into m square, means m square minus 4 2 is 8, 4 6 is 24 m, then plus 4 1 is 4, 6 8 is equal to 0. Now solving we get here plus 168 याचे फॅक्टर घ्यायचे आपल्याला आणि ते फॅक्टर 12 14 राहील, 12 14, and hence here m square, then here minus means both factors are minus 12 m minus 14 m plus 168 is equal to 0. Now take common, and hence here common is m into m minus 12, and here m minus 12 which is equal to 0 means minus 14 will be here. Hence m minus 12 into m minus 14 is equal to 0. Hence m minus 12 is equal to 0, or m minus 14 is equal to 0, and hence here m is equal to 12 or m is equal to 14. These are the two answers. But if m is equal to 12, then a is equal to m minus 12 which is equal to 12 minus 12 which is equal to 0, and hence is impossible, as it will not a quadratic equation, and hence m is equal to 14, and hence the value of m is equal to 14. This is the answer. Thank you from Sanjay Thakre.